If you ever made $1 behind the camera, you can probably thank one of these 5 cameras, because they didn't just change how we shoot, they changed how we got paid. Now stick around to the end, because I'm gonna share the one camera on this list that forced Hollywood to rewrite the rules. And no, it wasn't made by Canon or Sony. Let's roll that intro. What's good? It's Ty, ex-Army combat cameraman and 15-year video production vet and founder of FlashFilm Academy. This channel is for creators tired of guessing how to make a living with their camera. We don't make money hyping gear, we make money using it. Everything we teach comes straight from the trenches, proven by FlashFilm Academy members actively building real businesses behind the lens. Now let's get it. Most creators get caught up chasing specs, megapixels, ISO, frame rates, but few cameras didn't just push tech forward, they changed the business forever. Let's break down 5 cameras that opened doors for content creators and reshaped how we make money with our craft. First things first, we gotta pay homage to the GOAT. And if you are in this industry, you gotta show your respect for the Canon 5D Mark II. Released in 2008, this DSLR revolutionized how we capture video. Before this camera, if you wanted shallow depth of field and a cinematic video, you were looking at least $20,000. The 5D Mark II delivered full frame 1080p video for $2,500. Let's talk about the business impact. Photographers became hybrid shooters overnight. Indie filmmakers leveled up, even network shows used it. It launched a generation of creators who offered cinematic visuals at an affordable rate and made video a viable income system. Let me pause and go off script before I move forward, because I had a 5D Mark II. Before the 5D Mark II, you couldn't get a full frame, and it was even hard to get a Super 35 sensor with an interchangeable lens. It was just camcorders before that. Camcorders and high-end cinema. There was nothing to allow you to use photography lenses to capture video. The 5D Mark II gave us a full frame sensor, interchangeable lenses, and the ability to record up to 30 minutes in 1080p. It was a game changer for cameras, because before then, you didn't think about capturing video with a small DSLR. It was unheard of. Only big cameras did video. Small cameras did photography. Number 2 is the Red 1, released in 2007. Believe it or not, the industry shift towards affordable 4K RAW for narrative filmmakers. The Red 1 made high-end digital cinema accessible with a Super 35 sensor and a modular design under $20,000. It's crazy because this is something that's available almost everywhere, but films like District 9, The Social Network made Red a legit Hollywood tool, and it forced the entire industry to adapt to new workflows and made digital cinema the standard, not the exception. So off script, before Red, the only thing that was filmed digitally was video, like TV shows and things like that, but it wasn't looked at as cinematic. Number 3, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Cameras. Starting in 2013 and beyond, it was a huge industry shift. Cinematic image plus raw recording on a micro budget. Starting at $9.95, Blackmagic gave creators pro-level tools like 12-bit RAW, built-in ND, and legit color science. The business impact was small teams and solo shooters suddenly had access to gear that made them look expensive. They can now deliver broadcast level quality without the broadcast level crew or price tag. Number 4 is another GOAT, the low light king, the Sony A7S II or the A7S III. This is when the mirrorless camera finally took the throne. With insane low light performance, full frame 4K, and lightweight design, the A7S series became the go-to for running gun shooters, doc crews, and event pros. Let's talk about business impact, because it freed creators to shoot anywhere, anytime, from candlelit weddings to hostile documentary zones. It gave cinematic results without needing heavy lighting or rigs. It raised the standard for what portable could look like. Still one of my favorite cameras of all time. If you don't know about the low light capabilities of the A7S III, if you think it's just good for a camera, you don't know about this camera. You missed out. Go do your research. The A7S III can literally film usable footage in almost total darkness. It's like night vision, literally. Number 5 is the one y'all don't want to give credit to, but I'm gonna give credit to it. It's the Apple iPhone, the cinematic era, 13 Pro and up, nothing before that. Let's talk about the industry shift because it changed what clients expect from video. No, the iPhone didn't beat your cinema cameras, but it made average people believe they could just shoot it themselves. Let's be real, it raised the bar for creators to stay competitive. We had to become solution providers offering strategy, storytelling, consistency, and results. It separated the shooters from the business owners and made the value of professional content more clear than ever. Now don't forget, we got the free capture and convert kit over at FlashFilm Academy. If you're ready to stop guessing and start getting paid, that's where you begin, and it's free. Did I say that? Make sure I said it, it's free. These 5 cameras didn't just change the game, they opened the door for creatives to build businesses that didn't exist before. You didn't need a crazy team to get shallow depth of field, beautiful talking headshots. You can do that with a 5D Mark II or an iPhone now. You can shoot RAW with a RED. You can shoot high-end movie grade images with the Red one instead of going film like the other guys used to. So keep that in mind, all right? As always, at FlashFilm Academy, we don't just teach you how to get a job, we teach you how to build a business with your camera so you never need one. When you're ready to get over the hump and learn how to do just that, feel free to join us at flashfilmacademy.com. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, this is Raheem with CRP Media. Just want to give a quick shout out to Ty and FlashFilm Academy, the 5 key steps, and even shooting for free. Real quick, I shot for free. It's a video editing right there for a couple of clients, and off of that, and listening to what their pain points were and finding out how we can help and we can provide video, not just be the average video guide, but be the media production coming with a solution. From what Ty teaches, I have some future business off of that. So once you guys know the stuff works, it's not just mumbo jumbo, and this is just the free stuff. So the 5 key steps is a whole nother thing. I remember the aha moment when I had walking to the car. You guys can do it too. Thank you.